The technology DSTV got at the moment will expire. DSTV have to come out with something which is going to compete with social media. DSTV have to come out with something who's going to compete with YouTube. DSTV have to come out with something who's going to compete with Facebook. DSTV have to come out with something who's going to compete with internet. Otherwise, this technology will die. Welcome to the channel of the guy who was born in the same village with Francis Ngannou in Cameroon. Subscribe to the channel of the guy who was born in the same village as Francis Ngannou. If you don't know Francis Ngannou, please go to YouTube and type Francis Ngannou is our champion, our predator, a guy who's going to bring proud in the country, which is walking. Hello, morning.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokoumedia is your channel. Subscribe, like and share.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the channel of technician, channel of entrepreneur, channel of business people, and channel of traveler. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Alphonse Fokou. We can communicate together and we can share our little information together. Newspaper, post letter, radio, telephone line, and we come also with a cell phone. We come with cell phone. We know radio, television. Television is there for us to communicate. Television is there for us to send out information. And this is the giant who come in South Africa, the giant who came in Africa. We call it DSTV. Connecting DSTV to your place allow you to be connecting with the world through their program, through the beautiful program of DSTV. Okay? This whereby I come on as a technician of satellite. I come on as a technician of satellite. I just wanted to let you know, guys, it's more than 25 years I have been working as a technician of satellite, solo technician, solo entrepreneur. So I work for myself for this. So being a technician of satellite, this catch me to start notice something. Guys, I start notice that DSTV need to do something else. Guys, why am I saying this? If you notice today, people don't want wire in their house. People don't want a lot of cable in their houses. They want an installation where we're going to be wireless. Sorry?
I'm talking to the guy.
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. All right, no problem. Thanks. How are you?
I'm good, yourself.
Great. The competition will be very tight if DSTV doesn't come out with a new technology, because DSTV is competing with internet. DSTV is competing indirectly with social media. DSTV is competing with YouTube. DSTV is competing with Facebook. Actually, if DSTV doesn't bring out a system who can bring more people to their business, believe me, we will be facing a crisis in DSTV. Guys, if you are a technician, if you are a DSTV installer, if you are working with DSTV, please give me your thought, give me your thinking, give me your opinion below, because I still believe that these days people are watching more internet. People are more on their cell phone. People are more on their YouTube. People are more on their Facebook. People are more in the internet than watching DSTV in the house. Because there are some problem with DSTV, guys. There's this problem with DSTV that you don't actually choose your own program when you have a DSTV in the house. Yes, you don't choose your own program when you have a DSTV in the house. You don't choose your own program when you have a DSTV in the house, right? Guys, I just want you to give me your own view. Give me your own view about this. I actually believe that DSTV have to change the technology it got. DSTV need to upgrade that technology. Because look at it. DSTV actually is competing with the internet. DSTV is competing with Facebook. DSTV is competing with YouTube. DSTV competing with national television. And this point of view go with national television as well. Because if you check very well, you actually realize that most people now spending their time, if they talk about entertainment, most people will spend their time on their phone. What DSTV can do so that people can benefit the same content they benefit in their TV in their phone. DSTV is supposed to have a program whereby you don't need a decoder, you don't need a dish, but you need to do a certain subscription on your cell phone and get their program. DSTV should be able to use internet and make their program. If they don't do that, believe me, DSTV gonna lose a lot of clients. DSTV may lose a lot of clients. DSTV may lose a lot of business by focusing only on decoder. This advice I'm giving to DSTV. Being a technician of DSTV for more than 25 years, I get to realize that DSTV need to improve their technology more than what it is today. They have to find out how each person, any person can subscribe to their program via their cell phone. If DSTV can find a way whereby you can subscribe on their program using your cell phone without own any decoder, without own any satellite dish, without own anything, just like you go to internet and you can subscribe and open a page on YouTube. DSTV should do that. DSTV should find a way he can make people to subscribe on his channel without own a decoder, without own a satellite dish. DSTV should find a way wherever you are in the world, you can get access to their program. And DSTV should find also the way which people who are watching their program or people who gonna subscribe to their channel will benefit or gain something. If they gain something, DSTV will be actually gaining. In my view, if DSTV doesn't renovate with the internet, they're going to lose. They're not going to be making good business. If they don't do that, the business will go down. You can check today, people go for entertainment not only by watching DSTV. Most of people watching DSTV today, they're watching DSTV for soccer. Believe me, soccer is actually the program who are still holding people on DSTV. Soccer. People got the business. People got tavern. People got hotel. People got commercial property. They actually installed DSTV because they need soccer. Check with me. Besides soccer, we go for entertainment, we go for movie, and you can get your movie online. Just check what Netflix is doing. If you go online, you can subscribe to different platform of movie. You got different type of entertainment. You can go to Facebook, you can go to YouTube, and you get entertainment. What I'm doing now, I'm entertaining you. If you got your cell phone, you'll be able to watch me. But if you got your cell phone without having a decoder home, without having the satellite dish, will you be able to watch DSTV? Guys, if what I'm saying is making sense, please comment below. Comment below. I just say, no, let me bring that question to all of us which we are working in this industry. Maybe what I'm saying, DSTV may look at it. Maybe DSTV may pay attention. Maybe DSTV may consider what I'm saying through this morning. Maybe DSTV may pay attention of what I'm saying now. maybe they may rectify, or they will stay like that. But believe me, if DSTV doesn't connect himself with internet and give access to everyone in the world to be connected to their program, to their channel, they will be losing client. And me, after saying this, guys, I'm going to tell you to subscribe to the channel. The biggest thing I can ask you is to subscribe, like the video, share the video with your family, share the video with people close to you. And I will not stop thanking you guys, because without you, Fokoumedia will not be having today 23,000 subscribers with over 3 million views on this channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate your effort. I appreciate your time. I appreciate the fact that you spend your time watching this channel, you spend your time watching this program, and share it to your family, share it to your people, share it to your friends. Yeah, without you, the channel will not be where it is today. Guys, I'm going to end this video here, because definitely I need to go to work. I'm going to end this video here because I really have to rush to my workplace. Yeah, that's it. That's what I have for you this morning. You can see I'm still going out of the house, and see how the environment here it look like. You can see it's a good place to be. We are in Johannesburg in South Africa. I'm walking to my workplace. Obviously it's not far from here, so that there's no need of taking the taxi, there's no need of requesting. Yeah, guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. And then I believe you're going to be on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay? I'll see you in my next video. We are one love. One love. One love.